creating Amazon advertising campaigns can drain your budget if you don't do it the right way. When I started Amazon advertising, I have made a lot of mistakes and I've lost a lot of money because I've not set up the campaigns correctly. Hi, I am Drashti, and today I'm going to talk about how to create sponsored product campaigns in such a way that you have the highest chance of performance. So let's dive right in. Here from the dashboard, you'll find advertising. Go to campaign manager and then click on the create campaign. Currently there are 4 campaign types available. In this video we are only going to talk about sponsored products. We'll cover the rest in other parts. Here's what we are going to discuss. Naming your campaign and ad groups, setting the campaign's daily budget, choosing the targeting type, types of manual targeting, selecting keywords and match types, and choosing your bidding strategy. Now, before we start creating the campaign, let me show you where exactly your product ads will be visible to customers. So on Amazon's search page, after you search a keyword, sponsored product placements are on top of search page, rest of search page, and inside the detail page, right below the product is a section called products related to this item, where your sponsor ads are also displayed. Okay, so time to set up the campaign. Now start by giving your campaign a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify the campaign later. What works for me is adding a product code, type of campaign, and match type. So say that this is the product that we are creating a manual exact campaign for. So I'll add the campaign name as Chocoblast 36 manual exact and keep the ad group name same as that, because we are only going to add only one ad group per campaign. Reason behind is I've noticed that Amazon splits the budget unevenly among various ad groups. So say if the budget is 100 and there are 3 ad groups, it can spend 20, 50, 30 instead of 33 each. And I like to have control over the budget flow. After that, set your daily budget. This is the amount you're willing to spend on this campaign each day. Remember, you can adjust this amount later based on the campaign's performance. Now, I feel that you shouldn't set it less than $100, as I like to give it a good budget so that keywords don't underperform. And if you want to be passive, you can always control the spends by adjusting the bids lower. And if you have budget, well, you can obviously keep it more than $100. Next is selecting the targeting types. Now there are 2 options: automatic targeting and manual targeting. Automatic targeting lets Amazon choose the keywords and products to target based on your product information. It's a great option for beginners or for testing. For this video we are only focusing on manual targeting. So with manual targeting you have more control over the ad placements because you choose the keywords. So now after selecting manual targeting, you'll see 2 options, which is keyword targeting and product targeting. Product targeting allows you to target specific products or categories on Amazon. It's useful if you want to show your ads on competitors' product pages or within specific product categories. We are going with keyword targeting. This allows you to target specific search terms. Now, as a thumb rule at YS, we do not target more than 10 keywords in a single campaign, as only top keywords get all the budget and the rest don't. So it's better to divide them in separate campaigns and give them a fair chance. There are 3 match types, which is broad, phrase, and exact. You can target with all of them, but we'll only select one. So broad match is your ad appears for searches that contains your keywords in any order along with variations, related search terms. It's very vague, so we can use this for maximum reach. Phrase is when your ad appears for searches that includes your exact keyword phrase with additional words before or after that. So the term has to be in the same sequence. Basically it offers a balance of reach and relevance. Exact match is your ad appears on what a customer exactly searches. So the exact keyword or the close variation. This is the most precise targeting. We'll add exact for this video. Next you can see a section of negative targeting. Here you can add terms that you are sure about that they are irrelevant or can be proved as wasted spends for your product. It is a common practice to add this after launching the campaigns and analyzing it for few days. So this way you can have a data backed approach and you'll know what exactly is not working and then add it as negative targets. So we'll skip that for now. So campaign bidding strategies, there are 3 options available for all different types of campaign goals. First is dynamic bids up and down. It increases your bids in real time when your ads are more likely to convert and decreases it if it is less likely to convert. Use this strategy if you're looking to maximize conversions and are willing to spend more on clicks that have higher chance of leading to sale. Then this is ideal. Dynamic bids down only. It decreases your bids in real time when your ads are more likely to convert to a sale. Less likely to convert to a sale. Use this strategy if you want to ensure that you never overpay for clicks that are less likely to convert. It is a safer option for controlling cost, especially for new campaigns where you're not sure and you're still gathering data. Third is fixed bids. Amazon uses your exact bid without adjustments. It is perfect to have full control over bids, but personally I do not suggest it. If you're unsure, I think you should go with down only instead of fixed bids. So that's it. Finally, review your campaign, all the settings, make sure everything looks good, and then just click on the launch campaign. I hope this video was helpful. Try creating campaigns following these steps and see for yourself if you see a significant change in the results that you achieve. If you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe. Until then, happy selling.